Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my baby food, which I have right in front of me, right here, and I'm going to show you. So all you'll need, hang on, I'll show you right now. Hang on, let me just wash off this. All you'll need is bicarbonate baking soda and water and a drop of flour, not a lot of flour. Oh, finally got it open. First you want to add a drop of water. So I have a water cup right here and I'm just going to swoop a tiny bit and put it on there. Another one. Add 3 drops with your spoon. And all you'll need is bicarbonate baking soda, a plate, a bowl. Oh, and this is for Harper, by the way. Harper's down there because only reason why I'm in my bikini swimsuit, I was in the pool with her earlier, so she's drenched. So you want to add a drop of water on here. I'm going to get my pinch of flour now. I'm having 2 pinches because it works better with 2. So you're going to just sprinkle it like cheese. And then you want to mix it in. And you'll be like, oh, nothing happened. Just keep mixing it. Yeah, because we're not done. So when you've done that, and this will be hurry because in the morning she's usually crying. Then you want to get a pinch of baking soda and just sprinkle it in there. And it will actually start to look like the food that you get with in the packs, you know, that they don't do anymore. And a couple more drops of water and it shall do. And then mix it up. Then, if you can't get it off, you keep on adding another drop of water and another one. And if it hasn't worked like mine has, I'll show you mine. It's like all stuff in it. And you can just use sugar, but it's a waste of sugar. I'm only doing a pinch of baking soda, so it's not a lot of baking soda wasting. And that's all today. Here's Harper. Harper, do you want to do it? Yeah, please. Okay. Like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And so you don't miss any of my videos. She said it for you. Yeah. Don't forget any of my videos. Like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And like. Do all of those things.